Today I'll be making Niratama, stir-fry garlic chives and egg over rice. Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. This comforting dish is made with 4 simple ingredients and you can make it in no time. Please like and subscribe to my channel for new video updates. Now let's get started.
First, in a medium bowl, combine 3 eggs, a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sake, and half teaspoon of soy sauce. Using a whisk, mix them all together. Then with a sharp knife, cut garlic chives into 2-inch pieces. Separate the leafy and bottom parts. Next, heat a wok or frying pan on medium-high. When it's hot, add half tablespoon of sesame oil and spread it all over the wok. Then add the bottom part of the garlic chives first, followed by the leafy part. Stir-fry the garlic chives. When they are slightly wilted, transfer them to the egg mixture. And gently mix them together. Finally, heat the wok over medium-high and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the wok is really hot, add the egg and chive mixture. When the egg gets fluffy around the edges, quickly stir the center of the egg mixture. The goal here is to cook the center of the egg mixture as quickly as possible. Swirl the mixture around the wok but don't flip the egg. We want to keep it soft and yellow for the final presentation. And don't worry if the eggs are not completely cooked. The residual heat will continue to cook them. When the eggs are less runny, divide into 2 portions. Transfer Niratama over steamed rice. Drizzle crunchy garlic chili oil for spicy kick and umami flavor. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy meal.
If you are looking for a quick meal, here's another recipe to try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. またね!